For today's one-day deal, I have a ton of absolutely charming and beautiful products for you. We're going to start with these three foiled paper towel. Now let's get in close just so you can see what's going on. These are all based, even closer, Houston, can you? Okay, great, thank you. These are based on, let's see, it's Cicely Mary Barker's artwork. They are flower fairies, and you can see, now you get, of course, the one piece, and you can see that they're foiled and beautiful, but you also have the layering pieces. Now these are numbered, and they have the colors that go with the same color of base art. So you can see number 1 is here, and then you've got all the other pieces, number 2, number 3, 4, 5, there you go. And they're just attached with foam tape. So on this sheet, there's 2 there, and then on the back, there are 2 others. In addition, you can see there's some corner pieces, there's borders, there's also 2 other big pieces of foiled background, and that, look at those leaves, isn't that pretty? And you can see that down here, there's even more art that all coordinates. Now you can use them on individual cards, you can put them all together on, you know, perhaps a yellow card or a purple one, or you can separate them out. This is just one package. There are 3 packages. The second package looks like this, so there are more of these absolutely charming flower fairies. They're all the pieces. There are the borders, and then on the back, again, 2 others, as well as borders and 2 other pieces. I'll give you an idea for what to do with those in just a moment. Now, the third sheet has just one side of it, and there's the big one, and then also the layering pieces. Now, you can make these go even farther. So you've got your big one. You could add a couple of pieces to give dimension, and then take the other one and layer that with a couple of pieces and get 2 large images. Isn't she sweet and absolutely charming? Yes, just so, so sweet. So those 3. Before I go on, let me show you some ways that you can use them. Now, Debbie took, this is from the Fairy Poppets, and built her up with the foam tape, and she put her inside a 3D card. Now, these come from our 3D frame die cut cards, and so simple to do. You just pop them down and you get this wonderful 3-dimensional card. She added some dazzles because you know how we are, but isn't she charming? Oh, what else did she add? Let's see. She added the lime paper roses, so we're going to add both of those into your kit, okay? Now, here is another example, and isn't she just charming? Now, this is a 3D embossing folder. It is not part of the kit because we don't have enough to go with all of the paper towel, but you can buy it separately, and it is the 3D textured impressions by Sizzix, and this is the mosaic gems, and you can have an idea of what it looks like there. Now, it would also be pretty with just that really pretty piece of paper that is included in the kit, and there it is, before and after. So your choice. So that is another option for you, but isn't that charming? Now, both of these have added papers. So let me show you the papers. We're going to add those because after all, you know, you need paper to make these wonderful things. Here is the paper collection, and you might notice that this card is made using this dotted paper, and the 3D is made using this swirly paper. So you're going to get 2 each of all of these, so a total of 16 papers are going to be included. And how about one more, just a bit of wonderfulness to make this even more complete. We're going to add 2 more foil paper towel. The Majestic Mirage, isn't that just gorgeous? And Garden of Posies. So you've got these. So all together, to recap, you're getting 3 of the fairies, you're getting 2 more of the foil paper towel flowers. You're getting 16 papers. You're getting the 3D frame, and you're getting the lime paper roses all together only today. Now, if you are interested in that mosaic gems or in the 400 squares of paper towel, foam tape, or the ribbons to match the papers, those are sold separately. But for right now, all of this goodness can be yours, but it is today only.